Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstration how to downgrade iOS on your iPhone, either it is assigned or unsigned. According to your own choice, you can. How is it possible, we will see. See guys, by mistakenly or deliberately, you have updated with the latest beta version. Now you would like to roll back. What's the strategy? What's the new tags that exactly and how to use it to downgrade without losing data? We will see live. So firstly, we will check it out the manually. Is your iPhone recommending to downgrade or not? So let's tap on a setting 2. Of course, we will have to come in a general 2. We will have to click on a software update, and it has started to check it out. Now to sanction that up to that is 26.5s. Now the can I rollbacks here is not permitted to a rollback. So let's see by another techniques. Here, what exactly we will have to execute? We will go for run as administration, that is a 3U tool, and upon here, what we will do guys here, we will click on a smart flash. A smart flash 2, of course, we will go for firmware option. In the firmware option, now see, these all are beta version that mistakenly or deliberately you have updated. Now you would like to roll back. So this is the latest 26.5 beta version. Now we would like to go on a 26.4, 26 points of here. 4.1 here we can see these all are a sign version. Green sign is a given, so directly we can download or we can go for further step. But close these iTunes options, and when we close the iTunes, then iTunes will not configured to install this firmware, that's the unsigned. So here these all are signed, but unsigned we would like to go for. So here is options 18 points. Here see 18.6, 18.6.1, 18.6. So now jailbroken iOS you would like to go with. So there is a now see here, it had started to green sign from so 16.5s to you will start here. These all are jailbroken, so no need to you will have to jailbreaks. Easily this phone can be a jailbroken, and of course while removing the cloud activation, lock links, lock to owners, this can be very easy. So firstly here, we will come with the especially one signed iOS. Let's see, directly we can download, but right now we will come with the especially that's the of course 18.6 iOS. So how can I go for directly we can download? So see here it has started to download, but this is unsigned version, so this cannot be permitted directly. So for permissions will come in a toolbox. In toolbox you will have option that stop update, and here send description file to a iDrive or device. So now we are sending and it came on here directly. Now we will go for especially install it. How it is possible? Of course, this can be the possible. Now that we can cut it from here, and let's see here. Now it's taking a little bit time here to download, especially this. Scarcely see now internet speed is quietly slow, so it's taking time. Let's demo with especially another iOS here right now. We will come in here. Yes, the smart flash, and thereupon of course here we will click on this easy flash option. After coming on here, directly see here is also option. These all are signed version. These all are signed version. Directly we can download or we can go with it, especially this iOS. But right now here you would like to the computer especially that is here we will come, that is especially see custom iOS. Directly we will tap on it, and thereupon here is a yes 16.7.8. Suppose this is unsigned version, but without verification we have imported. Now if you would like to lose data, then we will come with especially quick flash mode, but retain user data we would like to the promote, so because we are not going to lose any data. So retain user data, select it. Similarly shine version, this can be also after importing or directly downloading. So then we will select these ones, and this one, this is anti-recovery, and if iOS has been the damage, then we will have to select on this one, and directly without making delay see custom. that is not permitted, but now it has a permitted. Now directly we will click on here. Now it's essential that if you would like to downgrade, then there should be a good connection between the iDevice and of course PC. And if you would like to backup, then go. Otherwise, of course, we can come to 26.52, 16.7.15. So directly we hit these ones. This would be especially, yes, quickly from 26.52 on 16.7.15. But right now I'm not going with these ones because this is a downloading. We will come with the 18 hours, so I will wait here. But similar strategy you can especially execute, and of course you will get a good crawler and then directly you can download. So hi, this is all about in this video tutorial, and this is a technology welfare, and we'll be back with a step by step with new tutorials. So don't forget to join, and if you have any confusions, then of course raise the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be managed to reply your query, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.